Hi, the purpose of today's video is to review a couple of Surefire flashlights. But before we do that, I want to remind everybody that in the Bible, the prophet David says that God's Word is a lamp unto our feet and a light unto our path. So in the same way, if we're walking around the woods at night that we want a good flashlight to light our way or help us find our deer or whatever it might be, we want to use God's Word to help light our way through the challenges of life. So I first bought, and both of these are the original xenon lights. This is the Surefire 9P, and it's a tactical flashlight made of anodized aluminum, and it uses 3 lithium 123 batteries, and it's the big brother of the Surefire 6P flashlight. And this is the Surefire G2, again with the original xenon high intensity light. Now, in the years since I bought these two flashlights, they've come out with LED versions of most of their flashlights, including these. And the LED versions, I expect, are just as rugged, just as dependable, but with the LED technology, you get a little, you get better battery life, and you get a lot more light out of the packages. So I first got this one for blood trailing deer in the dark, and it definitely gives enough light for that, and the LED versions probably do even better. But it's also simply a rugged flashlight. I mean, I first bought this over 15 years ago now, and it's still going strong. So, you know, at first, way back in 2004, 2005, whenever it was, I was like, $80 for a flashlight? But this one has proven its worth over the years. And I had some gift certificate that I forget where I got it. Maybe a relative gave it to me. Maybe I won it or got it as a bonus for using a credit card or something, for about the amount that the G2 cost. And I like this one so much, I was going to go back to wherever it was, Gander Mountain, and get one just like this, but they didn't have this one in stock, so I got the little G2 instead. And at first I was worried about the ruggedness of it because it's made of plastic rather than the aluminum, but it's proven itself over probably 14 years now to be rugged and reliable, and a little lighter and a little smaller. This is only has 2 of the batteries in it, so the light's not as bright because it doesn't use as much power. This one's got 3, but the little brother, the 6P, is comparable, and like the aluminum version of the G2, or the G2's the plastic version of the 6P, however you want to look at it. In any case, I've been pleased with these flashlights. I haven't owned many flashlights in my life that didn't break or somehow go sideways after a few years of use. So to have flashlights that are lasting 10 and 15 years, it's been very pleasing for me, and these are highly recommended.